every stop on the way. A borrowed wrench and a